Hello everyone. Welcome to the video series on computer simulation technology. In this lecture, we will learn how we can create mesh in CST and how we can speed up our simulation without any error. So, first of all, I have designed this simple geometry, 3D geometry. So, before creating mesh here, first we have to understand what is mesh. So from this slide, mesh is a process where we divide our 3D geometry into a very small element. So the solver we are applying in simulation can calculate the electromagnetic field accurately. So we have different solver. I have just explained the two solver that we mostly use in our simulation, frequency domain solver and time domain solver. So in frequency domain solver, the mesh type is a tetrahedral, and time domain solver, the mesh shape is a hexahedral mesh. Let's see how we can create tetrahedral mesh and hexahedral mesh in CST. So I have opened two interface of CST, generate design same structure like this one and this one. So how we can create mesh in this geometry? Simply go to the mesh view, click on the mesh. uh, First, I will show you which solver I'm using. Like from here, you can see I'm using this frequency domain solver. Uh, Frequency domain solver. We have different solver, time domain solver, eigen mode solver, integral, and so on. So I'm using frequency domain solver. You will see this F means frequency domain solver. So let's see how we can create mesh in our geometry. Just simply click on this mesh view. Okay. Uh, uh, then update the mesh. Okay. So in this way, it will take a little time by creating mesh in the geometry. So mesh has been created in this way. You see that the mesh type this time is a tetrahedral mesh. Let me zoom it. Let me zoom it. Look at the mesh is a tetrahedral mesh. If we see from the other angle, uh, like uh, uh, cut the plane, cut the plane in this way. So in this way, you will see very clearly which type of mesh has been created. Look at the tetrahedral mesh shape like this. This is a tetrahedral mesh. This is a simple way you can create mesh in your geometry. Uh, how we can create uh, uh, hexahedral mesh. Okay, so in this template, let's see hexahedral mesh. Uh, so here I have select the time domain solver. T is for time domain. Again, I will show you different solver here, but I selected uh, time solver. When you click on mesh, so you will see this type of view. Here it also show you the mesh cell numbers like 28800 number mesh is generated in this geometry. And this mesh is in a hexagonal hexahedral mesh. From here you can see that the mesh type is a hexahedral mesh. Now let's come to the how we can increase our simulation speed. So just close the mesh. Okay. Click on this global global property. From here, you will see that the cell per mix model box age is 10. Okay. So you can increase or decrease this value by changing the mesh number. Uh, but first I check it for 15, apply it. Okay, and create mesh, create mesh. updated. So the mesh has been successfully generated, and this way you see that the number of meshes increases from this time 5 7 2 3. Okay, so the number of mesh increase, it doesn't mean that and this time the simulation speed will be increased, because number of meshes increases, it mean it will take more time in your simulation. But what we will do with this, uh, put the same is the default value 10, apply it. Again, check the mesh. This time you will see that the mesh number of mesh will be decreased, like last time 5 something value, and this time 2 5 6 9 tetrahedron mesh. Uh, let's come to the point how we can increase our simulation speed. Uh, like this is a metal part, this yellow, silver, and this one is a dielectric paper for substrate, this blue one. So here we how we can increase our simulation speed. Click on this yellow part and see the material local mesh property. From here, the maximum step size, increase it. Like I just put here 3. Okay. Click on OK. Click on OK. And now again create mesh. Okay. Update the mesh this time. So the mesh only in this yellow part is increase, and the other is remain same, like this time is 3 uh, something value of the mesh size. So in this way you can change your simulation speed, and no, do not change, like do not enter some bigger value here in the mesh size, because it will give you error and when you run the simulation. So simply if you face some error, simply click on that position. Like if you are facing error in this yellow portion, so just change the mesh of the yellow, or if you are facing error in this blue area, in this dielectric part, so change the mesh of the dielectric. In this way you can change your mesh and you can create mesh in your geometry, as well as you can increase the simulation speed without facing any error. Thank you for watching.